Assalamu alaikum. We are going to revise the homework together. The first question, page 10. The first question, write the scientific term. Number 1, a group of tissues that work together. Group of tissues work together form the organ. Any organ consists of a group of tissues. Number 2, jelly-like fluid that fills the cell. The jelly that fills the cell is cytoplasm. Number 3, unicellular organism used in making bread. We use the yeast in making bread, and yeast is a unicellular organism which consists of only one cell. Number 4, the integrated living organism that has one cell only. What are the organisms that have only one cell? They are unicellular living organisms. Number 5, structure in the plant cell important in photosynthesis. The plant cannot make photosynthesis without chloroplasts. So only plants have chloroplasts in their cells. Number 6, a group of similar tissues work together. Tissue and tissue form the organ. Number 7, the component that has important role in the cell division. Which component in the cell responsible for the cell division? Nucleus. Number 8, unicellular organism used in making alcohol. We use yeast in making alcohol, and yeast is a unicellular. Number 9, a group of different systems. System form the body of any living organism. Number 9, it controls the substances that enter or leave the cell. Which component controls the substances that enter or leave the cell? The cell membrane, which we can call it plasma membrane. Question 2 complete. Number 1. The system consists of a group of organs. Any system consists of organs, and each organ consists of tissues. Number 2. The tissue is a group of similar cells. Each tissue contains a group of similar cells. Number 3. Space are common between animal and plant cell. The word common means something here and something there. Something in the animal cell and it is in the plant cell. What are the commons? Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Number 4, space changes sugar into alcohol. Yeast changes sugar into alcohol. Number 5, space exist in the plant cell only. What are the components which I can find only in the plant cell? As we said, cell wall that surrounds the plant cell, chloroplasts which are responsible for making or absorbing the sunlight to make the food for the plant, and there is a sap vacuole in the plant cell. But in the animal cell it is a small vacuole. So in the plant cell, sap vacuole, in the animal cell, small vacuole. Number 6, living organism body is made up of systems integrated with each other. Each system has its own function. So any living organism body made up of systems, and these systems integrated with each other. Number 7, space is the building unit of plant. So I need to say which type of cell. It is the plant cell. Now open your book, page 32. Question 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, which of the following can be existed in a plant cell and cannot be existed in the animal cell? Which component of these I can find only in the plant cell? Nucleus, chloroplasts, cytoplasm, plasma membrane. For sure, chloroplasts. Number 2, the space is an example of a unicellular living organism. Frog, snake, yeast fungus, a bean plant. The yeast fungus is a unicellular living organism. Question 2, related the following organs to the human body, different systems. Stomach and trachea. The stomach is belonging to which system in the human's body? It is belonging to the digestive system. What about trachea? Trachea is an organ in the respiratory system. Question 3, Compare the structure of the plant cell, animal cell, and yeast fungus in the opposite table. We are going to make a comparison between the components in the three cells. The nucleus is found in the plant cell, in the animal cell, in the yeast fungus. Cytoplasm is found in the plant cell, animal cell, yeast fungus. What about chloroplasts? Chloroplasts exists only in the plant cell. Question 4. Give an example to each of the following. A unicellular living organism. The example is yeast. B. An organ related to the digestive system in the human body. It is an example of an organ in the digestive system: stomach, mouth, esophagus. I can write any example. C. A tissue in the plant, epidermis. D. A system carries out the transport function in the human's being. It is the circulatory system. Question 5. It is an activity. Have a bottle containing a dilute solution of cane, honey. We are going to put honey and add a piece of yeast to it. Then place a balloon on the glass mouth. Let it in a warm place for a few hours. Record your observation. We are going to observe that this balloon is going to be filled. It will be filled with carbon dioxide gas. Okay, let's start our new lesson.